Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to lesson 4.2, Remainders. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can use models to divide whole numbers that do not divide evenly. Please pause again to write the lesson objective in your notebook. Today's lesson also has a vocabulary word. Our vocabulary word for today is remainder. A remainder is an amount that is left over after we divide. For example, 13 divided by 2 is 6 remainder 1, because 6 times 2 is 12, but 12 is not the same as 13, so there's 1 left over. We call the 6 our quotient, and we call the 1 our remainder. Please pause to write the lesson vocabulary in your notebook. Let's begin by reading our Unlock the Problem. It says, Erica and two friends are playing a game of dominoes. There are 28 dominoes in the set. Erica wants each player to have the same number of dominoes. Can she divide them equally among the 3 players? Why or why not? So the first thing that we can do is use some division. So we're going to divide 28 counters, or we're just going to draw them, and then we're going to have 3 circles to represent the 3 players. And to share them equally, we're just going to take turns going from circle to circle to circle until we get to 28. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, the last one, 28, doesn't fit in evenly, so we draw it outside down here. So then our last step says find the number of counters in each group and the number of counters left over. Well, in each circle we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters, but there is 1 counter left over. That 1 counter left over is our remainder. We will continue practicing with remainders tomorrow in class. You're almost finished. When you're sure you understand this lesson, go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.